Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Woven Tales. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful crochet scarf that looks like it's knitted, but it's actually crocheted. This scarf is elegant, simple, and perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a chic handmade accessory. Let's start with the materials. You'll need 3 skeins of anti-pilling yarn, 250 meters each. I used only 2.5 skeins for my scarf. You will also need a 4mm crochet hook, scissors, a tapestry needle, 2 stitch markers, and a measuring tape. We start by making a slip knot on our hook. Then, make chain stitches until you reach the desired length of your scarf. For my scarf, I made it 190 centimeters long, but you can adjust it to any length you prefer. Now we begin the first round. Work single crochet in the back loop only across the entire row. This technique helps keep the edges straight and prevents the scarf from leaning. At the end of the row, do not make any extra chains. Simply turn your work and start the second round. For the second round, begin with a single crochet in the back loop of the first stitch. Insert your hook into the back loop of the same stitch, pull up a loop, then insert your hook in the back loop of the next stitch, pull up a loop, and pull it through the 2 loops on your hook. Continue this process across the row. This technique gives the scarf that knitting-like texture. To maintain a consistent stitch count, mark the first and last stitches of each row with stitch markers. This ensures that you have no extra or missing stitches as you work. Repeat this second round 5 more times. This will create a nice, even texture across the first set of rows. Next, we work a half double crochet in the back loop of each stitch across the row. Repeat the set of the last 7 rounds 6 more times, so you have a total of 7 sets. This repetition builds the length of the scarf while maintaining that consistent, knitting-like texture. The half double crochet rounds act as separators between the sets, giving the scarf a structured, elegant, and chic look. Now, we move on to refining the edges. Along the bottom edge of the scarf, work a single crochet in every stitch. Then, along each side, work slip stitches. Continue with single crochet around the top edge and finish with slip stitches along the sides. This gives the scarf a smooth and neat finish. Finally, weave in all the yarn tails using a tapestry needle and cut any excess yarn. Your scarf is now complete. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new crochet tutorial. I hope you enjoy making this beautiful scarf as much as I enjoyed showing you. Happy crocheting!